Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a dreamy effects for your video on CapCut. So just prepare your edit or your clips and then just click on a clip and then find opacity. Okay, here lower your video opacity to around 50 to 60. I'm going to go with 55. And after that, go to overlay and go to stock videos and add this white image. Fit the size until it cover all of the clip, and then go to blend, find the soft, and in here just adjust the opacity. I'm going to go with 80. Click on a check icon, and now you are done with the dreamy effects, and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.